Hey everybody, it's Daniel. Today I'm going to be reading from Short Stories in English, a book by my friend Olly Richards. There will be a lot of people around the world doing readings from this book in different languages this month. So take a look down in the description. You can find where to buy the book and also more readings in other languages. So I'm here in the beautiful city of Barcelona, and I wanted to read one of the first chapters of this book because it's about arriving in Barcelona. So, let's read. So this is chapter 2, Spain. Our plane lands in Barcelona. My friend Armando is waiting at the airport. Hi Daniel, he says. He gives me a big hug. I'm so happy you're here. Hi Armando, it's great to see you, I reply. Armando looks at my sister Julia. I introduce them. Armando, my friend, this is my sister Julia. Armando turns to Julia. He kisses her on each cheek. Hi Julia, pleased to meet you. My sister is very shy. She's especially shy when she meets new people. Hello, Armando, she says. Her face turns red. Then she becomes quiet. Your sister is really shy, isn't she? Armando says to me, smiling. Yes, she is, but she's lovely, I say. A short while later, we head for Armando's flat. We're staying there for the term. We get a taxi. After 30 minutes, we arrive in Barcelona Center. The taxi costs 41 euros and 50 cents. Armando says it's the usual rate to this section of the city. We pay for the taxi and get out. It's a short walk to Armando's flat. It's June and it's really hot, but there's a nice wind to cool us. We arrive at the flat at lunchtime. My sister and I are really hungry. Armando, I say, where can we eat? There are a couple of good restaurants in the area. What types of food do they have? One of the restaurants, La Paella Loca, has a great paella. I really recommend it. You can take the bus there. The other one has lovely fish. It's just next door. Julia, do you want to have paella? I ask my sister. Yes, I'm so hungry, she replies. Armando can't come with us. He's a teacher and he has a class. So Julia and I head for the paella restaurant. It's a short walk to the bus station. Now which bus goes to the paella restaurant? I ask Julia. I don't know, she replies. Let's ask. She points to a man in a white shirt. We walk over to the man. He smiles. Hello, can I help you? Hi, how do we get to La Paella Loca restaurant? I ask. It's easy. The number 35 bus goes in that direction. It goes right to La Paella Loca. However, there's a small problem. What's that? I ask. That bus is normally packed at this time. Oh, thank you, we say. As we walk to the nearest bus stop, Julia and I talk. She's not comfortable with taking the bus. Daniel, she says, let's just eat at the fish restaurant. It's easier. I don't want to take the packed bus. I know, I begin. Then I have an idea. Wait, I'll take the bus to Paella Loca. You go to the fish restaurant. Why? Because that way we can compare the two restaurants. Oh, good idea. Okay, enjoy. I'll call your mobile later, she calls and walks off. I get on the next bus and sit down. I'm very tired. I quickly go to sleep. The bus system in Barcelona is very good. I know there's nothing to worry about. I wake up a little while later. The bus has stopped. There's no one else on it except for the driver. Excuse me, I say. Where are we? We've arrived in Valencia, he replies. What? Valencia? We're in Valencia? How can that be? I say. Well, this is the express bus. It goes directly from Barcelona to Valencia, he tells me. I can't believe it. I took the wrong bus. But what can I do? What can I do? Well, that's part of Chapter 2, Spain in English short stories for beginners by my friend Olly Richards. Feel free to get a copy of the book. It's on Amazon, link down here. And check out the other people who will be reading this month in different languages. The book has been translated into several different languages, so check those out and enjoy learning English or whatever language you choose. Have fun. Bye.